If Marvel Rivals keeps crashing with an exception X violation error, you are not dealing with a broken game, you are dealing with a conflict. And in most cases, the conflict is coming from something running quietly in the background that you never even thought of. Today, we are going through every known cause of this crash, starting with the biggest one and working our way down. The number one reported cause of this crash is Discord's in-game overlay. Here is exactly how to turn it off. Open Discord, go to the gear icon at the bottom left. That is your user settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down until you see Game Overlay. Click it. At the top of that page, you will see a toggle that says Enable in-game overlay. Turn that off completely. Now, there is a second Discord setting that most people miss. Inside Marvel Rivals itself, there is a community tab. This is Discord's game integration, and it uses a file called discord_jdk that has been flagged repeatedly on Steam forums as a crash source. You want this integration disabled as well. The simplest way is to make sure Discord's overlay is fully off before you launch the game. That covers both. Next one. Steam's own overlay. Go to your Steam library, right-click Marvel Rivals, click Properties, and under the General tab, uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Done. If you are using GeForce Experience, open it, go to Settings, and under the General tab, turn off in-game overlay. AMD users, open Radeon software, go to Settings, and disable the overlay from there. Even if you never use these overlays, they are injecting into your game's render pipeline, and that is exactly where Unreal Engine breaks. This one surprises people. Apps like Razer Synapse, Corsair iCUE, Logitech G Hub, these hook into system memory to do their RGB work, and they can cause exactly this access violation. Same goes for MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner if you have those running. You do not need to uninstall anything right now. Open Task Manager, find these processes, and end them before launching the game. If the crash stops, you have found your culprit, and then you can decide what to do about it permanently. Now, paging file size is also a known factor in this error, but I have already covered that in full detail in another video. Rather than explaining it again here, grab the link from the description or pinned comment and watch that one as well. If the overlay fixes do not solve your crash, the paging file video is the next thing you should try. The root cause can be different from system to system. If you have gone through everything in this video and the paging file guide and you are still getting the crash, let me know in the comments. I will cover this in more detail if enough people are still running into it. Drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.